Hello students. So we had learned the basic thing about the ratio. Now we are going to deal some question. First question is there are 12 boys and 15 girls in a class. What is the ratio of boys to girls? So number of boys in the class is 12 and the number of girls in the class is 15. Now we need to find out the ratio of the boys to girl. Okay, so first part, we need to mind the orders. So first is the boys, that is 12. And then is to, second one is girls, that is 15. So we can simplify this 12 and 15. We can divide them both by 3. Okay, so when we divide this 12 by 3, we are having 4. And when we divide this 15 by 3, we are having 5. So the ratio is like this is 3 into 4 is to 3 into 5. Okay, so we can cancel out this 3 over here and we are having the ratio as 4 is to 5. Okay, yes. So now we are going to take another question. The ratio of flower pots to roses is 1 is to 3. If there are 3 flower pots, find the number of roses. Okay, so flowers in a pot. Flowers to pot ratio, first of all, is 1 is to 3. So that means in one pot, there are 3 roses. Okay, and number of flower pots which we are having given in the question is 3. So we can see this 1 is multiplied by 3 over here. The ratio is 1 is to 3. That means 1/3. Okay, now we need to make this numerator as 3. So we can take the number of roses as x, okay, which we need to find out the total number of roses over here. So now what we can do is we are having 1 by 3, that is flower pot is to roses. Okay, now flower pots is 3 and number of roses is x. We had assumed this thing. Now we need to simplify this equation. So we can see we can multiply this 1 by x and 3 by 3. So we are having x is equals to 3 into 3, that is 9. So the number of roses in 3 flower pots is 9. Now another question, Jack and Sarah got chocolates in ratio 2 is to 4. If Jack got 12 chocolates, how many Sarah got? Okay, so first of all, we can see the Jack and Sarah's chocolate ratio is Jack is to Sarah is equals to 2 is to 4. Now, if Jack is getting 12 chocolates, okay, so Jack is having 12 chocolates and we can assume again like Sarah's chocolate be X. So we need to find Jack upon Sarah is equals to 2 upon 4, which is equals to 12, which is Jack upon Sarah. We don't know, so we are writing X over here. We need to find it out. Okay, so again, what we can do is 2 by 4 is equals to 12 by this X over here. Okay, so we can simplify it. 4 into 12 is equals to 2 over here, divide. So the Sarah's chocolate is equals to 12 into 4, which is 48. And this is twice of Sarah's chocolate. So Sarah's chocolate is equals to 48 by 2. Or that is equals to Sarah. Sarah is having the total number of chocolates as 24. Because when we take this 2 from LHS to the RHS, it is in multiplication over here. So we take it in the division in the right side. So the Sarah's chocolate will be equal to 48 divided by 2. That is equals to 24. So these were some questions based on ratios. We will continue in our next video. Thank you so much.